Hello everyone, I am Kalpesh Anil Isai, working as a assistant professor in the Department of Applied Sciences and Humanities at R.C. Patel Institute of Technology, Shirpur. Here I am going to present a environmental awareness video for International FDP on Environment and Sustainability organized by D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi. My subject is My subject for today's video is environmental standards. So, in this week, I have prepared some environmental standards. In the last week, I have prepared a presentation on environment and sustainability, particularly green chemistry. Its definition, important examples, case study with catalysis, requirements, specific challenges, and future scope. Now, in this week 2, I have selected a topic brief about environmental standards, particularly green chemistry and ISO 14001. As we know that the environmental standard is the key for maintaining the environment. So let us see that what are the environmental standards. Environmental standards are the administrative regulations or civil law or rules implemented for the treatment and maintenance of the environment. Particularly, these standards are set by government, certain non-government institutions or bodies, just as such as European Environment Agency, National Ambient Air Quality Standard, Environmental Protection Agency, California Air Resources Board, Greenpeace, World Wildlife Fund, International Organization for Standardization, ISO. Generally, this ISO is the main body which is set by representatives from various national standards organization. Hence, the International Organization for Standardization is considered to be international standard. It was founded on 23rd of February 1947. What is the ISO 14000 standard? Generally, it is the framework for continual environment improvement using Plan, Do, Check, Act PDCA management system. Let us see that what is PDCA. Plan, it means identify and select improvement project development process for doing so. Do, ISO 14001 set out the criteria for an environmental management system and can be certified too. It maps out a framework that a company or organization can follow to set up an effective environmental management system. It was designed for any type of organization regardless of its activity or sector. It can be provided. ISO 14001 quick facts. It was developed by the Switzerland-based International Organization of Standardization, world's largest developer of international standard, near about 16,000 plus standards. First published in 1996, revised in 2004, part of a family standard model after ISO 9000 quality management system. ISO 14001 element plan, do, check, act. Plan, environmental policy. Do, resources, roles, responsibility. Check, monitoring and measurement. And act, the management, the review. In this way, the Various elements are included in the ISO 14001. What does the standard look like? It contains 23 pages total with introduction, definitions, requirement, identity, appendices and bibliography. 5 pages of requirements for the 17 elements. Each element typically require a procedure describing the process and how, not prescriptive, not what. How does ISO 14001 relate to safer chemical use? Developed full ISO 14001 EMS with green chemistry focus, use as a checklist to do good chemical management, use key EMS element to meet specific green chemistry goals such as design toxic chemicals out of the product or process, reduce the total number of chemical products, etc. Case study: Portland General Electric. What do Portland General Electric do? Evaluated chemical impacts, set objectives and targets such as reduce of chemical, train staff chemical definition procurement, documented practices operational controls, check the progress with audits, goal reduce the number of products, references www.zerowaste.org, then Wikipedia, International Organization for Standardization, Wikipedia, Environmental Standards, and ISO.org.